You wake up one morning, look in the mirror and realize something. The life you're living isn't yours. It's a photocopy, a game you've been playing by someone else's rules. What if you dared to break free? 3 years ago, Chris Williamson was right here, jobless, hopeless, trapped in his mind's prison. Then he ran a 30-day experiment. Wake at 5 a.m., cold showers, daily confrontation challenges to stare fear in the face. By day 30, he was unrecognizable. I'm asking you today, on which day would you quit? Because today's the day you take the first step to shatter those chains. Let's begin. Day 1. Wake at 5 a.m. Feel the chill of the morning air. It's a shock to the system, but it's also a wake-up call. Your first victory of the day. Day 10. Cold showers. It's uncomfortable, but so is staying stuck. Feel your body adapt, your mind sharpen, your resilience builds. Day 20. Confrontation challenges. That fear you've been avoiding, face it. Every single day. Watch your confidence skyrocket. By day 30, you'll look back and wonder who that person was, the one who felt trapped. You'll see a warrior in the mirror, one who took the leap and never looked back. So, are you ready for this transformation? Start today. Don't wait for permission. Take it, own it, your life, your rules. Let's transform together, one day at a time. I believe in you.